With Binance latest bond this March, lUNA Classic have hit about 4% increase in price in the past 24 hours, with about 135% increase in lUNA Classic volume. Today you can see lUNA Classic hitting trading between 155 million $13,547, and this bond, of course, we know Binance really contributed a lot to lUNA Classic bond, and they also upgrade. Now I'm happy to see lUNA Classic back in rising, though after today lUNA Classic have actually bond about almost 10 billion coins, and since the news of lUNA Classic bonding since yesterday and today, you can see the price have started rising, the price have started gaining. If lUNA Classic can bond just that little amount, and that have already affected the price positively, now imagine when this coin will be burning 100 billion coins in a day, within 7 days, or let's say lUNA Classic burning 10 billion coins every day. You can see it's going to push the price of lUNA Classic to really increase in price. Now I'm happy that today we are getting about 131% increase in lUNA Classic volume, which many traders are actually buying this coin, and 4% increase in price today. That is amazing. Let's see how lUNA Classic is going to end the week. Once again, please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.